All right. Welcome back, traders, to another midweek market breakdown. It is March 2nd. Yes, March 2nd, 2016. It is the first week of March. So that means we would have, or this is the week for our non-farms. So the markets is a little bit slow during this week. And this is one of those weeks where you're getting tested by the markets to see if you will follow your rules and which we have to do. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We have there. All right. Okay, first one we have is the euro dollar. Go ahead and go to. All right, euro dollar in the daily. We're still consolidating, and we have been for quite a while now, since March of last year. Now, most recently, price is in that zone that we identified last week, and I'm still anticipating that price could still get down here to the 107.50s. And when it gets there, we might have that opportunity to enter there. So let's go to our 240. 240, not very much there. Let's go to our 60 minute. The 60 minute, not much there either. Let's go to dollar CAD. Okay. Dollar CAD, we are back down to that level of structure. This level of structure can, this is previous structure resistance that could be support. What price can do is that test this level right here, which is where it's at right now, and maybe go back up to this level right here, and continue to go down. Now at this time, it's not showing us or not giving us any opportunities. So let's go down to our 240 and see if we have anything there. Nothing there. Let's go to our 60 minute. And nothing there yet. So let's go to dollar yen. All right, dollar yen, we did have that double bottom that happened last week. Now it's continuing back up to test this level of structure, which is the top of that double bottom. Now what I am looking to, or I'm sorry, if you are a daily trader and you're looking to enter this trade to continue back up to this level of structure, what you could wait for is a move back down to the 618 of this leg right here once it closed above this level of structure, and that could enter you on a 2618 trade. So let's go down to the 240. Let's make this a little more obvious. Okay. All right. We do have an advanced pattern right there. This would be a bear Gartley. This is a really good risk to reward ratio. Our risk is right around above X right here. Since we are going to terminate or complete right around that level, we would have a very good risk to reward ratios right here. First targets on this is obviously are 382 for first targets and about 6182 second targets, and that is about, yes it is, a little bit about a 140s, 140 pips down to first targets. So let's go down to, oh, I should probably draw that out first. Let me draw this out for you. All right. Okay, let's go down to the 60-minute. Okay, 60-minute, what we have anything? Not much there. Okay. Next pair is pound dollar. All right, pound dollar, most recently we did violate this low right here, so we are still anticipating, or I am still anticipating for price to continue down. Now we don't have any other level of structure. It looks like a price, this might be a start of a retracement. If I'm looking for a trend continuation trade, I'll be looking for price to come back up to this level of structure right here. Previous structure. And looking for an entry reason at that level. So let's go down to the 240. Nothing much there. Down to the 60-minute. Looks like there was one pattern there that completed earlier. And we might have another one. Let's see. Oh. All right, so we do have a bull Gartley on our 60-minute. X2A. Looks like we have a new high right there, so that would be that C leg. We do need it to go back down and violate this structure first before we anticipate that move. So that's still ways away. So let's go to our next pattern, or I'm sorry, next pair. Aussie dollar. All right, Aussie dollar also in consolidation. Price is retesting this level of structure. Let's go to the 240. A lot of patterns. These are already completed. So let me just take that out. Oops. And this one too, to kind of clear it out. Let's see. Yeah. These two are still actually valid. We have not closed above this level right here, and we haven't created any lower lows right here. Same thing right here. We didn't violate this X, and we're still lower than this high, so we're keeping this level right here as the B leg. So let's go down to 60. And 60. Well, we do have, yep. All right, we do have a bear bat advanced pattern right here. XA, A to B, B to C, C to D, right at this level. Price did go down about 13 pips already, so it's a little late for here, but we can still come back up. If we come back up to that completion level, you can enter there for a bear bat pattern. All right, so let's go to New Zealand dollar. Consolidating also looks sort of the same, except in the New Zealand dollar, it's this structure is a little bit more prominent. So let's go to 240. See if we have anything there. Nothing there, except for gaps. And 60-minute, nothing there either. So let's go to Euro Yen. Yep. All right, Euro Yen, we're still continuing to make that lower lows and that lower highs. Still stair stepping down. Right now, price is not on any structure. It's kind of in the middle right now. So same thing as the pound dollar. I'll be waiting for price to come back up to this level of structure right here, and finding a reason for entry right there for a continuation to the downside. So let's Euro Yen on the 240. See, nothing there. 60. Nothing there. And let's go. Last but not least, pound yen. Pound yen doing about the same as the Euro yen. Looking like it's retracing at this time. We did get that small double bottom right there on the on this time frame, the daily time frame, and I'm still anticipating for price to come back up to this level of structure. I'm actually just right here, about this zone right here. Oops. this 2 zone right there. All right. Let's go down to our 240. JPY 240. All right, 240. Not much here, I don't think. Oh. And 60. Okay. If price continues back down, violates this structure right here for a B leg and completes at the 786, we could be looking at a cipher pattern. But that is still ways away, about almost 400 pips. So that's probably not gonna complete anytime this week. And because we have not passed our B leg, there's a higher likelihood that it can continue back up to a previous structure level instead of completing that cipher. So, all right, there you have it. Let's just change this back. Oops, there you go. So there you have it, traders. I'll see you again next week. Do me a favor, if this is the first time you are seeing this and you did learn something from it and you got something out of it, just hit that like button and subscribe to this channel to see. I do this about every week on Wednesdays about 7:30 GMT. And what I usually do is I just go through the market and just show you the trades I'm looking at for the rest of the week. On certain times, I also do a review of some trades that I placed earlier in the week, or if there's anything that I think it should be a educational opportunity, I will teach that too. Again, until next time, good luck, traders.